Hey guys, Theo here, and welcome to the Caffeine Zone, where we discuss everything coffee. And part of the instant coffee tasting series, today we will be tasting the Antigua Cafe Deluxe. They say 100% pure coffee. Don't know what that means. Continental roast. Instant coffee. Nice. We can see that it is air-dried coffee. So air-dried, definitely. It looks like drops of mud that dried up. On the back, unfortunately, they have no recipe. So I will be working with a 2 grams, well, let's go 1.8 grams per 100 mils of water. So that gives us 3.6. 1.8 and 1.8 is 3.6 grams per 200 mils of water. See the calculator working today. So they say here, ingredients is a 100% pure instant coffee. Cool, I guess. I still don't know what that means, unfortunately. Antigua Continental Roast is a blend of Arabica, Robusta coffee and various origins. Does not mean that the coffee comes from a specific continent or makeup of continents, but is a lighter roast of coffee. Now, that's what I like to hear, a lighter roast of coffee. So hopefully it has beautiful, bright acidity. Wow. No, that's good pressure right there. Good seal. I'm sure this would definitely last a while. Let's get into tasting. Okay, so we're going to go 3.6 grams of coffee. Small. Ooh, 2.2. Need a little bit more. Ha! 3.6. Beautiful. Water, not boiling water. Just below. This is at about 83, 84 degrees Celsius. Then we add 200 mils of water. And we give it about 2 minutes just to brew. See you now. There we go. Let's taste it. Woo! Wow. That's definitely there. That's fairly intense. Interesting body. It's nice and creamy, and then it gets really, really dry. So slightly astringent. One can maybe play with this ratio. I might even go 1.5 grams per 100 mils of water, just based on the taste. So let's score it. Sweetness not very high, about a 2, being generous, 2 out of 10. Doesn't have a lot of natural sweetness in it. Acidity, about a 5 out of 10. If you feel the need to maybe add a tad of milk to this, no one would hold that against you. This is more of a milk type of coffee. I wouldn't necessarily say that it needs sugar though. This is very similar to a Nescafe Classic, so not bad. Bitterness, let's say about a 6.5 to 7 out of 10. So it's not a horrible, but a bit of milk would just balance that out. And then run like oil. Beautiful. So not a bad coffee. I would definitely want to add a bit of milk just to balance it out. Hope you guys enjoyed that. And we'll see you on the next one. And may you find your happy place in every single cup.